This video will show you how to complete the tutorial 8.6, which deals with enumerated types. The enumerated data type is a programmer-defined data type, and it consists of predefined constants known as enumerators that represent integer values. You're going to click on the starting project to download the color spectrum zip file, save it, open the folder, and then extract all to get the color spectrum folder unzipped. You're going to click in there and you're going to open the solution, and this is going to be your starting file. You're going to click OK on this, and you can see the form that is already created for you. And if you double click on any of these labels, you will see that there's no code connected with this form yet. So it's been created for you, but nothing happens. The idea is we're going to be clicking on these colors, and the text of the color is going to show in this label. So how we're going to do that? I'm going to walk you through the code that this tutorial shows you and explain it to you. So the first thing that we have is the enum declaration. So we're declaring enum of the name spectrum. So then this enum is going to be named spectrum, and in it we're going to have these different values: red, orange, yellow, and you can see automatically that Visual Studio shows you a number associated with each of these words. Okay, so that's basically how you are going to declare an enumerated type for the color, which is going to be named spectrum. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a function or method named displayColor, which is going to take that spectrum and it's going to use it. It's going to convert the spectrum enumerated type to string right here. So the effect of this is it will actually show red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and make the text of our color label, which is this right here, to change to whatever text of this enum type is. So if I click it, you'll see that that's what it does. So this is the method that allows you to change the color. And then we have several methods which are very similar to each other. Each is for what happens when you click on these labels. So if I click on this particular red label, what is going to happen is we're going to call the displayColor method, which is just up here, and we're going to send over spectrum red. So if the red is clicked, we're sending the red, then this variable here is going to be equal to red, and then we're going to show the color red on the label using, changing the text of the label. And that is exactly how the methods of orange label and yellow label and green label and blue label and indigo label click work, and violet as well. So all it is each of these methods, the click methods that we see here, all they do is they send over a different enumerated type into the displayColor function, which uses that enumerated type to change the text of our color label. And that pretty much is all there is as far as this particular tutorial is concerned.